When you have to highlight a list of countries on the map, what is the first thing that you do? I know most of us rely on Google to check where the country is located and then highlight the same on the map. For example, Moldova. Do you know where it is? Let's check. It says it is in Europe. So we go back to our map, select the region and highlight. This can be time consuming if you have a long list of countries. I will show you a cool feature in Microsoft 365 that allows you to do this faster. Let's see what I mean. So, under Insert tab, click on Charts. Here you have option for map. Select and click OK. Now all you have to do is type in or copy the country names here, and the region gets highlighted on the map. Pretty cool, isn't it? Let's look at how to color code them as per our requirements. We can only have a maximum of 3 colors. Let me show you how to apply them. Right click on the map and select Format Data Series. Under Series Color, select Diverging 3 Color. Select the color that you would like. Minimum for Series 1, Midpoint for Series 2 and Maximum for Series 3. Now go to the datasheet and put, say for example, 2 for all the legend A's, 3 for legend B's and 4 for all the countries that you want as legend C's. You can add more countries and update your data range and repeat the color process. You can delete the default legend from the charts as we have our own legends. Now for another cool thing. If I keep only one country, the map changes and displays only that particular country. If you think this is impressive, check this out. Yes, you get state-wise maps as well. If you list down more states from the same country, then you get a country map highlighting those states. This can be done for any country. When I first found this out, I was amazed. Let me know in the comment below what you think about this. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my tutorial, please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.